As the autumn flowers turn to seed, it's a good moment to collect as many different kinds of seed as you can and experiment with them. Don't be daunted, just give it a go. And you can try any amount of plants, such as annuals like sunflowers, perennials like agastache, or even tender plants like eucomis. Use a paper rather than a polythene bag and store the seeds somewhere cool and dark until you're ready to sow them. It's a good idea to cloche autumn salad leaves, and this will protect them not just from cold weather, but also too much wind and rain, and extend your harvesting season by weeks. Leave the ends of the cloches open to ensure good ventilation. Shrubs such as buddleia that put on a lot of new growth in spring and summer can be damaged by winter winds. So prune them back by between 1/3 and 1/2. This will protect them from root rot, and then you can prune them properly in the spring.